Welcome to the Advanced WordPress Mastery Kit Chapter 2. Where to install WordPress. In this video tutorial, we are going to see where you can install WordPress, step by step. So let's get started. So where to install WordPress? You have two options for installing WordPress. Number 1, localhost, which cannot be accessed worldwide, and it is only for development. Number 2, web hosting, which can be accessed worldwide, and it is only for live website. So this is where you can install WordPress. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to Chapter 3. Install WordPress on your local computer. Inside that video, we are going to see how you can install WordPress on your local computer, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.